Well, hello guys, I'm dropping in to give you some nuggets. Forget some of these things when they're going on a cruise for the first time. You may not think you need them, but you actually will probably need the majority of these things. All right, so first thing I would say is to get color-coded passport holders. It makes it easier to locate your individual passports. That's just for traveling overall anyway, not just for a cruise. Second thing I would say is handy dandy walkie talkies. These are lifesavers. Now, some of the ships, they do have the chat feature. Some of them don't. So, walkie-talkie, baby. And since we're talking about electronics, this right here is a little bit portable speaker for your cabin. If you want to just jam out. See how small it is? It's in the palm of your hand. Yeah, baby. Get yourself a little portable speaker so you can have some music in your cabin. You'll be able to charge your stuff, right? So, get yourself a portable charger, because most of the ships don't have that many outlets. Look at this thing. Now, I did run into a snag when I was on a Disney cruise, Disney Fantasy, because this did not fit in the port. So I have since upgraded to one of these. All right. So you can charge multiple devices at once. Never leave without your hand sanitizer, some wipes, Lysol. You want to spray down that cabin. Get yourself some little Poopari for the bathroom. And then you can pop one of these open and keep your cabin smelling nice and sweet. We wish that COVID was over, but sad reality, it's not. Get you a couple of COVID tests and some masks, baby. Fight with the black. Look, let me say, I just got off of a 2-day cruise and I came home with COVID. So it's not over. It's not over. And if you're on a cruise and you're gonna be drinking a lot, you wanna get some party smart so you don't wake up with a hangover, okay? Allergy medicine. Take yourself some allergy medicine because you never know if you're gonna need it. Laundry detergent, because you may get a stain or something, you may need to wash something out. You may want to take some wrinkle release because I don't like to iron. I don't like it. So I will wrinkle to release the heck out of some clothes, all right? Right here, this is my friend. Put this on your shoulders, on your midriff, on your thighs. You want to glow up, baby. You want to be glowing. You put on that swimwear. All right. Some magnets. You say, magnets? Why do I need magnets? Magnetic hooks. So when you come back from the beach or the pool and you have the wet towels, because I like to carry my own personal towels, wet towels or swimming wear, you could hang it up on these hooks throughout the cabin. Oh, and another thing, Aqua socks. These are wonderful, a wonderful invention, honey, because I don't like the sand stuck on my feet. Oh, portable first aid kit. Yes, I said it. And something else, I don't leave home without it, needle and thread. How many times somebody needed needle and thread? I got this little waterproof holder, holds all your credit cards and insurance cards, things you might need if you're on land and you get sick. And all the ships are not smart ships, so you won't have a band. You might have a card. So I would suggest investing in these. You can get them off of Amazon. And then you want to have a phone protector. Protect your phone from getting wet, getting water in it, damaging it. It's just not worth it. It's cold on the ships. So you may want to take yourself a little lightweight jacket here. All right. If you're gonna be filming, you wanna get a selfie stick or a battery operated tripod. Baby, you can stand it up and it has a little remote that connects to your phone. You better get it. All right, guys, well, I hope this has been an informative video. If you like what you've seen, like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you later. Toodles.